What you doing, man? What you doing up there? What you doing up there? Did you? What you call us for? Hey, just drop that gun, man. Can you drop it? Drop it. Just throw it down. Throw it down. Can you throw it down? Just stay up there. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Can you put your hands up? Hey, go ahead and get FD2. We need a ladder to get them up there. Keep your hands up. Don't reach for that. You better just keep your hands on up there. We're going to get you an ambulance, but you got to keep your hands up. Just stay right there, okay?
Hey, stay behind your... I know, I see it. Keep your hands up. Keep them up. Do you have any more guns? Stay right there. We're coming to get you. We're going to get you some help, okay? Stay right there. Stay right there, man. You're all right. We're coming to get you. Yeah, we see it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. Thank you. Stay right there. Do not move. Do not move. Keep your hands up. Keep them up.
I don't have nothing.
Okay, we're gonna put you in handcuffs.
That's how the flag feels. That's how the flag.
You got no other weapons?
Man.
Okay.
Yeah, we see it.
Oh, please.
You got any other guns on
See
you?
it.
You got no guns on me?
No guns? I'm just gonna make sure, man. Okay?
Y'all hurt me, man. You hit my bag.
Sit up.
Oh, hold on.
Sit up right there.
Hold on, officer. Hold on.
He's got a gunshot in his lower back on the right side.
Hold on. Put me on top of the thing.
Just stay here for a minute, yeah.
Don't pull, man. You had all responding personnel there to park at the office. They won't be able to get down into here. Simple. Investigator Phillips is coming down in there in a express.